Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. It's day 2 of the Rubik's Cube challenge, and for my Instagram followers you may be noticing by now this isn't the same version. Unfortunately I forgot to save the live version, but no need to worry because I'm gonna redo it. So yes, here we have the Mega Minx. Well, Killer Minx, but same sort of thing. So I'm just going to give this a quick mix up. And now that it's all mixed up, I'm just going to go ahead and solve it. So firstly, I'm going to solve the top, the white side. So I'm going to bring this piece around to here. So that's them two connected. Wait, actually I need to move this to the actual white side. So then it actually does work. So that's part of that done. So now I'm just going to turn the top round so I can insert that. And this might take quite a while, so I'm going to time lapse it so you can still see what I'm doing, but you can see then that I am not cheating. Okay, so I'm on to the final section now, and I'm only going to time lapse that a tiny bit because it didn't really take me that long. So now on to the final section.
All I need to do is left up, top, right up, top, left down, top, right down. Because what we want, you see that kind of there, we just want one more of them. But the problem is trying to find where we can put it. That one could go into there. So top, right down, top, left down, top, right up, top. That's the wrong one. I did that check on the wrong, I'm so sorry. Left up. I'm stuck. Here we go. Jesus Christ. Right. There we go, finally. That time. Right up, top, 3 times, right down, top, right up, top, right down, left up, top, 3 times, left down, top, left up, top, left down. We've got 2 there, I just want 1 more. So if we rotate this, and then, yep. And then just do that again. And we just need to, where's that pink side? Oh. That's why I'm stuck. I've just time lapsed a bit there. Because I'm stuck, I didn't want you to see that all over again. Right, so now I know what I'm doing. There we go. And then I can rotate this. So now, that's not in the right way. So now, we just need to get that piece into the right place. And then this one into the right place. Now.
Final algorithm now. I've messed up a ton on this. Yeah, top 3 times. Right down, top, right up, top, right down, left up, top 3 times, left down, top, left up, top, left down. There we go, it's finally solved. It took me 7 minutes. That's a bit embarrassing. But yeah, that's that done. So, day 3 tomorrow, and we are back onto the 3x3. So, what I want you to do, I want you to stay safe, protect the NHS, and most of all, clap for carers on Thursday. Seriously guys, stay safe. Stay safe, see you tomorrow.